Grave is a fortified city with the most and long-standing military blockades in the Netherlands. The traces of the battles are still clearly visible in and around Grave, as well as traces of how the inhabitants of the city defended themselves against the enemy armies, can still be seen in the historic city center of Grave. Into 13th century, Grave was granted city rights. In the centuries that followed, the town experienced no fewer than 7 heavy sieges, including occupation and destruction by the Spanish and the French. But as the Grave anthem proudly declares, time after time, our brave little town re-emerged in freedom. Together with 10 other fortified towns, Grave is part of the important Dutch defenses known as the Southern Waterline, the oldest, longest, and most utilized waterline in the Netherlands. The Maaspoort was their gateway to the fortified town. Today, it provides the backdrop for various waterfront events, including the arrival of St. Nicholas by steamboat in mid-November each year. From the Middle Ages, Grave grew into a prosperous trading town. This is reflected in many of the town's historic monuments. The Maas is still an important trade route, as well as a beautiful tourist spot.